45 years, Juliana Florestal has cultivated a legacy of sustainability, innovation, and commitment to the future. Founded in 1980 by Augusto Antônio Francio, the company was named in honor of his mother, Juliana Francio, and has become a benchmark in responsible forest management. Located in Caçador, Santa Catarina, Juliana Florestal is part of the Frameport group and plays a key role in supplying sustainable raw materials for the production of doors exported to various countries. A pioneer in the industry, Juliana Florestal was the first company in Santa Catarina to obtain FSC certification, an international recognition that reinforces our commitment to sustainable management and environmental preservation. We manage over 16,000 hectares of land, including 8,500 hectares of reforestation and more than 6,800 hectares of conservation forests. With each tree cultivated, every improved process, and every completed production cycle, we ensure certified wood for high-standard products that bring quality and sustainability to different continents. The growth of Juliana Florestal begins with people. They are the driving force behind our company, bringing dedication, knowledge, and passion to their work. That's why we invest in well-being, training, and the appreciation of every employee, creating an environment where everyone grows together. Our commitment goes beyond the forest. We promote social initiatives, educational partnerships, and projects that positively impact the communities where we operate, strengthening bonds and creating opportunities. With innovation and responsibility, we continue to improve our practices to ensure that future generations can enjoy the same resources we have today. Juliana Florestal, 45 years, working in the present and planting the future.